just putting our don't walk in the hallway decals down, and we are spreading them out 2 meters. So we're trying to do our physical distancing, but trying to make it a little bit more fun and engaging for students. Don't walk in the hallways decals are always good for keeping kids moving and active. We're looking at kind of using them for directional flow. We've color coded them for our grades, and we're also writing some positive messages of health and wellness, trying to get kids excited to be back at school while also serving the purpose of keeping them safe during these times.
We decided to do patterns, I think, because Mr. Pratt's idea or his vision is that he's going to be able to give the students challenges every day. So if he can tell them, if you're in grade 1, your red circles, you can do some jumping jacks or just something to help keep them active.
We're going to actually try and make it cross-curricular as well, so we're hoping to add in maybe some math and science, like for every triangle identify one carnivore, or on every square do a mental math equation for your grade level and that kind of stuff.
And when any of our students need help regulating with the changes now, we can take them through one of the well, it could be like a course, and help them get the body break and the break they need to be ready to go to handle class again.